Hi, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My subject name is Corporate Accounting and Regulation. My topic name is Redemption of Preferences. Redemption of preferences. The term redeem refers to the act of buying back or settling the financial obligation. In financial, redeeming preferences involves a company repurchasing its issued preference share from its shareholder. For example, imagine a company that issued preference share in 2015 promising to buy them back in 2020. By 2020, the company has grown and accumulated sufficient funds. It fulfilled its promise by repurchasing the shares, returning the investment to the shareholder. This process not only honor the agreement but also allow the company to streamline its financial structure. For example, the concept of redemption of preference share. What is redeemable preference share? The redemption of preference share to the process where the company repurchases its shares from its shareholder. This typically occurred after a redetermined period or at a specific time, often at an agreement upon price. By redeeming share, the company reduced the total number of shares available in the market. The process not only return the shares value to the shareholder but also serve as a strategy move to optimize the company capital structure. What is redemption of preference share? Redemption of preference share involve a company repurchasing. It is issued preference share from its shareholder. This usually takes place on a specified data and a predetermined price. Through this process, the preference shares are removed from circulation and shareholder receive the value of their investment. Methods of redemption of preference share. Financial restructuring. Company may redeem preference share to improve their capital structure, such as adjusting the balance between debit and equity to align with their financial goals. Improving financial ratio. By reducing preference share, company can enhance certain financial ratio like earning per share, making them more appeal to investor. Tax efficiency. In some case, redemption is driven by tax benefit, while preference dividends are not tax deductible. Interest on debit is converting preference share into debit can therefore offer tax saving. Market redemption of preference share may signal that company is financially strong and confident in its cash flow, which can improve investor trust and book stock price. Cost reduction. If the dividend rate on preference share is high, redeeming them can lower the company cost of capital, especially if replaced by cheaper financial option. Contractual obligation. Some preference share comes with fixed redemption data or condition. Utilization. Excess cash. Companies with surplus cash reserve may redeem preference share to make effective use of their funds, providing additional value of shareholders. Provision of the Company Act Section 55. The Company Act 2013, specifically Section 55, outlined the rules for issuing and redemption of preference share in India. Authorization. Preference share can only be issued if the company article of association permit it. Shareholder approval. Issuing preference share require approval through special resolution at a shareholder meeting. Redemption period. Preference share must be redeemed within 20 years from the issue date. Redemption source. The redemption can be funded either from the company profit, capital redemption reserve. To redemption preference share, the company must create a capital redemption reserve and transfer an amount equal to the value of the redeemed share from the company profit into this account. Non-convertible preference share. This act preference share that can be converted into equity share after specified period. Dividend payment. Dividend on preference share can be paid according to the terms set at issuance provided the company has sufficient profit and funds available. Failure redeem. If the company fails to redeem the share or pay dividend, penalty may apply and the company director may be held responsible. Methods of preference share. The following are the some methods of redemption of preference share. Redemption from profit. Company often set a set period to create a capital redemption reserve, which is then used to redeem preference share. Redemption through a fresh issue of share. A company may issue new share, either common or preference, to raise funds for redeeming the existing preference share. Redemption out of capital. Although less common due to legal and regulatory limitation, company may redeem preference share using their own capital as a last resort when other methods are not feasible. Purchase of own shares. Thank you.